Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, the CPI data has come, okay, and what we have seen, the gold and crude prices was continuously moving down. If you look at this particular trend, there was a trend in natural gas, there is continuous downfall or a gap down we have seen, okay, and chances are very high that we can see a further fall if the price didn't sustain a level of 2.2. okay, if you look at this, you have to understand something. Suppose if a price moves in a zone for a period of time, if it comes down, then a fall we can see, or if it moves above a level, then a further upside movement we can see. Okay, there is a continuous fall we have seen, this gap is still pending, so chances will be high if the price comes above a level of 2.4, it will touch a level of 2.5, there is a higher chances of it. Okay, and if you go on a day wise chart, you will see, understand properly that where the price of natural gas is moving. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, first thing you have to understand that if the price has to go down, it will not make a sharp fall till the time there is no big news is coming, till the time there is no breakout happening or a news or a pattern is breaking. Okay, how market moves, it hold for some time, that is how it goes down. Okay, in the same way it hold for some time, that is how it moves upside. You have to understand this. Okay, now we have seen there is a clear pattern forming after pandemic. The natural gas was continuously moving upside. After that, there is a clear pattern of going for the fall. Now the price was moving from 8 months in a zone of $832. Why I'm explaining this? Because you have to understand how the natural gas price is moving recently. Okay, now it has come after crossing these two levels at a 3.5 and a 3.6 level, came down, and it is moving in this zone. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, and chances are very high, yes, it will not sustain. Okay, because there is overall trend you have to understand, opposite U pattern is forming, and I have already explained you that if the price started falling below 2.7, it will touch a level of 2.5. From there, if it started going below this level, it will go below a level of $2, which is on a higher chances. Yes, okay. Now if the price sustain above a level of $2.75, then a probability of upside we can see, otherwise we will not see a further upside. Okay, but if started going out 2.75, then a further upside movement. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, and chances are very high it will not sustain, yes, it will move further down, and yes, a probability of touching a level of $2.2186 we can see. Okay, if the price fall below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 2.1515 is there. Okay, and once the price started falling below 2.1515, a probability of going further downfall we can see towards a level of $2.094. $2.094 is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will fall further around $2.068. Okay, and if the price started falling below this particular level, a further fall we can see, and then chances of touching a level of 2.0306. okay, and if the price started moving below this particular zone, we will see it will go further down, and a probability of going towards $1.8370, and from there a further fall we can see. Keep that in mind that if the price started falling below $2, chances are very high it will fall below a level of $1.8 and then further low. But as I have already explained you that if the price form a swing, because market is uncertain, so always try to set your SL, it will save your capital. Always try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. These two things you have to do. If you are doing these two things, you can sustain for a longer period of time. Overall trend is downside. Okay, so till the time it is not going above a level of 2.7, we will see a trend downwards. Okay, so suppose it form a swing, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.3026, and if it sustain above that level, it will go towards a level of $2.4423. okay, and then this gap can be filled. So once started sustaining that level, we will see it will cross a level of around $2.58, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will go above a level of $2.28, and from there a level of around 2.928. Okay, keep that in mind that as soon as started sustaining above $2.75, a probability of crossing $3 we can see, and from there it will go towards a level of 3.2 to a level of $3.3. Once the price started sustaining over 3.3, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 3.5, then to a level of 3.6, and once started sustaining over 3.6, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.